Here's part 2, my little lambs. I have Celtic music going on in the background. This Celtic music is by... Hold on. This Celtic music is by this person. Spiritual Moment. So if you want to hear more music by them, go subscribe. Not sponsored. So, in case you wanted to know what a chicken in a bath looks like, here is the shame. Yes, she is mad. She's gonna regret everything. And I'm gonna regret everything. Look at her. She's just sitting there. She doesn't know what to think of it. Rosa, this is your 5th bath, okay? You should know what's gonna go on, okay? I'll have part 3 up next. See you later, my little lambs. Rosa, any final words? I thought so.